Hello everyone, I'm Mina. This lesson is about present perfect tense. As I've said in previous lessons, present perfect is used to talk about a recent past action. Also, you can use it to talk about something that happened in the past, but when it happened is not important. You can use present perfect to talk about something that started in the past and continues to the present. We are emphasizing on how long the action has been happening. There's a lot more to learn, so keep watching. For and since are commonly used with present perfect. For is used to talk about duration of time. Since is used to talk about a specific point of time. You can make a question with how long to ask about an unfinished period of time, or ask the duration of an action or a state. You can make a question in this way. How long? Have and has, then subject and PP form of verb. Look at the examples. How long have you studied English? I have studied English for 3 years. I have studied English since 2018. 3 years is the duration of time. 2018 is the specific point of time. Let's practice more on using for and since. I'll give you a time expression and you'll choose between for and since. A long time. For a long time. I was a child. Since I was a child. 1988. Since 1988. 2 months. For 2 months. Last summer. Since last summer. I think that's enough for now. I've got 3 more words used in present perfect sentences. Ever, never, and before. Ever is used in questions to ask about life experience. Never is used in positive sentences to say that we have never experienced the action. Before is used to talk about an unspecified time before the present time. I must say that ever and never go directly before the PP verb, while the word before is always at the end of the sentence. Look at the examples. Have you ever seen a camel? Ever is used in a question asking about life experience. It's right before the PP verb. I have never seen a camel. Never is between have and has and PP, expressing that the act of seeing a camel hasn't happened in my life. I have seen a camel before. Before is placed at the end of the sentence. It doesn't show when exactly I saw a camel. I haven't seen a camel before. Place before at the end of your speech. Congratulations, you're doing so well. Keep practicing this lesson and share it with your friends. Please subscribe and wait for the next lesson. See you soon.